All right, hey everyone. We just installed our two PowerPool 8-foot blades. Now we're gonna put the drift paddles on them. Drift paddles are gonna help you when you're out there and you're in current, you've got wind, you can drop your PowerPools and change the direction of the blades, and that's gonna give you better control of your boat. So we're gonna show you step by step how to install these. Really simple. Once you use them, you're gonna love them. You ready to go?
Yeah. Everything's unboxed and we're ready for the install.
Okay, we just dropped the blade down. We've got 2 1/4-inch bolts in this knuckle. We're gonna remove these 2 bolts, put our flange in, and start the install. Hold down tight on it. Just hold it like that. Go. We'll put the nut down there. All right, so now we're going to take the bottom one out. Got it? Mm-hmm. Then we're going to replace these with longer bolts. There's going to be when you take this bolt off, there's going to be a washer on each side. So you're going to see a washer and nut, and then go ahead and take that bolt out on the other side. So this is what you'll be taking out. Okay, so something to also notice, you're going to have 2 sets of spacers. You're going to have a smaller set and then a larger set. All blades are going to take the larger set of spacers. All right, so before you install this knuckle, you're gonna have spacers on one side. You just wanna make sure you take those out. And you're gonna replace them with the large spacers. The large spacer will go on each side. So go ahead and put that knuckle up there. So see how you got space between? These will go inside. You'll press all 4 of these in these holes, and then you'll install this. So we'll get that done. Okay, so we got the big spacers. We just took these small white ones out. All you're gonna do is that indentation, you're just gonna press it in there like that. So see those 2 and how you put that up there? So now you got a nice, clean, flush mount. Okay, so show them how that goes. We got our spacers. Now we wanna install the bolts. So remember to have your washer. Okay, so once you got your spacers, your long spacers in on each side, you're gonna get a washer and the bolts and go ahead and push them through. And sometimes they're a little hard, hold that for a second. So you just give them a little tap. Just like that, and then they're through on the other side. Go ahead and show them the washer and lock nut. Go ahead and put that in. Yep. So washers on both. Okay. Go ahead and hold it. Hold that top one. We're gonna put the bottom one on. Okay, that's good for now. And then hold this with both hands. Ready? Both hands on it. Going good? Okay, go down to the bottom. So remember, you're gonna have bolt, washer, mount, spacer. On the other side, you're gonna go spacer, mount, washer, nut. Then you just wanna get them good and tight. Good?
Yep.
Go back to the top one. You're gonna be installing these by yourself soon. What do you think?
Huh?
Okay, bottom, just finish up, we're good and tight, and then we're done. Okay, so now, all right, now this is installed. Let's show you how easy this is. You got these two plastic spacers. You just want to get it up in there. Then you'll take your long pin and it'll go right down through like that. And then if you see here, I want to move this around. So see how easy that is? 2 seconds. If you want to take it on, you can take it on and off with this pin. But if you want to move it around, like I said, depending on the current, the wind, you just pull that up. Now it's locked. Pull it up, locked. You can just keep moving it to all these different settings right here. So now that this is installed, we got to install the spacer on the bottom. And then we're done. Okay, hey, we're done. We got the strap on the other one. Just want to show you that they come with straps. You want to make sure you strap them as you're going down the road if you're going to travel, just to keep them from flopping around. So you turn them all the way to one side on the lever up there, and then again, strap. You got a groove on each side. Go through the grooves. And just like that, you're done. So simple, isn't it?
Yep.
We probably did it in probably 35, 45 minutes. The project's done. Again, super quick, super easy. Our next video will show you how they work out on the water. Can't wait to show you. Tell them, see you on the water.
See you on the water.
All right, we'll see you.